Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, I told you guys I would be back on Saturday to share with you the other gift that Keith got me for my birthday. And if you've been watching me for a while and you know about my wish list, you probably know what it is. But for those of you who don't, it's in this box right here. I also forgot to share with you what my daughter got me for my birthday, and I got some friend mail, and I believe it's also a birthday gift from my friend Emily of Emily's Real Life Luxuries. So if you want to see what all I have to share with you today, stick around. All right, correction. Emily changed the name of her channel to Everyday M. Is that right? I'm so confused right now, Emily. Emily's Everyday Luxuries, Everyday. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the screen. You guys, I'm a creature of habit, okay? All right, so I can't hold the box up. I'll do it like that. But she sent me something, and it's a belated birthday gift. We both sent each other belated birthday gifts. I'm gonna put Emily's channel in the description box. Please go down and subscribe to her, you guys. She is a breath of sunshine. I think she's the cutest YouTuber on YouTube. I really do. And she and I are very close. We talk a lot, and I'm excited to get into this box. And also subscribe to me. It can't hurt, right? Okay, so this is something I've been looking forward to, and she said she had some kind of explanation, so, but I need to open it first. Okay. All right. A sandwich. No. Okay, here it is. Super exclusive packaging just for you, Yota. She's hilarious. Okay. All right, so we've got a card. I love lemons. Oh, she wrote me a personal message that I'm going to keep between she and I. She's a very good friend, and she's somebody I'm definitely going to meet in the future. Sometimes Keith and I, well, we haven't been in a few years, but we do love to go to Miami, or I might fly down there myself. You never know, but she's a really, really good friend. Okay. Ooh, okay. We've got two items here. I'm going to open the smaller one first. She got me a Prada lip color. I have never had a Prada lip color. Ooh, look at the packaging. Oh, that's so pretty. I love this. It's a perfect kind of a perfect nude, I would call it. She and I are the same coloring. We're both, you know, olive complected, so it would be easy for her to pick out a color for me. I love that. That is a great everyday color. This is something I've never had. Never had Prada, I've never had any Prada makeup, so I'm really excited about this. I just love the way it looks. Okay, so exciting. Thank you so much, Emily. Okay, the next one is, oh, how beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love this brand, this Patricia Nash brand. I don't think I've ever had anything. I did have a bag in the brand, and I ended up giving it to my niece. But oh my gosh, look at these black leather roses. If this doesn't scream Yota, nothing does. She knows me. I love this. Thank you so much. Wow, that is beautiful. Thank you so much, Emily. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love my gifts from Emily. She's just the sweetest. Please go subscribe to her. I love bag charms. I used to not be a bag charm girl, but I don't know. Once you start bag charming, you just can't go back. All right. Thank you, Emily. I'm obsessed with Loungefly backpack. So this is the Loungefly little Fillmore from Cars. I was just showing it to you because this is what got me started. And then Dawn, I'm just going to kind of do a little refresher. Okay, things are jumping off my desk. A little refresher. Dawn had gotten me this awesome backpack. I absolutely love this. And then my daughter got me another backpack. This one, I use it as a purse. I use this a lot because when I have Drew, I use this as my purse, and he loves it. So that was a little refresher. But you guys, I have a pretty big Loungefly backpack collection. And if you want to see it, let me know, and I'll do that in an upcoming video. My sister was just out shopping the other day, and she found this bag strap. Look how cool. She told me it just looks just like you, very bohemian. And she said when you go to your art shows or, you know, just anytime, she said, it just reminded me of you, and it's adjustable. This was not a birthday gift. She just brought it to me this week. We buy each other gifts, but I just love it, and I wanted to show it to you guys. Look at the pretty colors. So yeah, the 70s are definitely back, which the 70s, like, I never left the 70s. I love that vibe and everything. And I was a child of the 70s, so it's in my blood. The 70s vibe is definitely back, you guys. Before I show you my Louis Vuitton gift, I just wanted to show you this. I'm kind of backtracking a little, but Dawn had sent me this little Louis Vuitton purse, and it has money and credit cards in it. So I just wanted to show, and of course look at her 70s outfit. Is that not cool? This is definitely me and a doll, and I just would totally wear this outfit, and it's crocheted just like this. Love it, you guys. I had a fabulous birthday this year. Keith was so good to me. He's always good to me, and I don't base him being good to me on the gifts he gets me, but he was just extra generous this year because he did take me on the cruise. I've always wanted to go to Bora Bora, and it was fabulous. And I've wanted this necklace for a while, but I haven't really talked about it much, but he got it for me, and I absolutely love it. But this is the gift that, as I was saying earlier, if you watch me, you probably know what it is. So this is not a true unboxing. I love I just took my ear out with this, with this box. I love these little button closures now on the Louis Vuitton boxes, but this is a reveal, and I used, when I first got this bag, I actually used it for 2 weeks straight. Show you what it looks like in the box. Here it is, and you know what it is. Those of you that watch me know what it is. I already have a bag charm on it, and it is the Speedy Soft, you guys. The Speedy Soft that I wanted so bad. Like, I wanted this bag for the last year, and I tried to talk myself out of it, thinking, oh, it's just too expensive. I mean, I kind of have a limit. They're all expensive. Coach bags are expensive, but I kind of have a limit where I want to stop with luxury, because if you don't put a kind of a cap on it, I mean, you can go crazy. I'm not saying I'll never get another Birkin, and if I ever do, it would be a 30. Why am I talking about this? Let's talk about this. But to me, this was a very expensive bag, and I got my initials on it, and right away I had to charm it up. As I said, I was carrying it, and I put it back in this box to share it with you guys. And like the P9, it does come with a pillow. Maybe not the same pillow, but it came with, really what it was a dust bag, kind of a stuffed dust bag, which is fine, but I misplaced it, so I just stuffed it with an old dust bag that I had, an old drawstring dust bag. But it did come with kind of a pillow, and I love the interior. I love the caramel color on the inside. I love the gold hardware. I do love silver, but gold hardware is my jam. And look at this. What does the P9, besides that plaque and the Pharrell Williams name, have that this squishy goodness doesn't have? Now, I carried it for several days just like this. And of course, it's very, very, you know, saggy. And I love saggy. Well, unless I'm talking about my boobs, then that's another story. But as far as handbags, I do love a good sag, okay? But I thought it's a little saggier. Saggy? Is that the right word? It's a little softer or saggier than I was really hoping, because once you get your stuff in it, it's just like really like that. So I went upstairs looking, and I happen to have this, which is almost the same color. So I use a base shaper. I'm not a huge bag organizer girl. Like, I have a few, and sometimes I mix and match them, but I don't buy a bag organizer for every bag. See, I put it in there, and it's for the Speedy 30. With all my stuff in it, it's perfect because there is a little base there now, and it is really nice and saggy, just like I love. You guys, oh, I love it so much. I love it. I'm so thrilled that I have it. So I have two soft Speedies now. I have the Speedy Dark and I have this one, and now I have my eye on another one. See, that's what happens. That's what happens. Probably not just to me. That's what happens to people like me and us, okay? Once you get something, then you move on to the next thing. I love it though. This is a classic. It's a forever bag, and I could not be happier with it. I love the fact that I had my initials put on it. It is the most fabulous bag. Fabulous. I love it. And here is the adjustable strap. Sometimes I use it, but most of the time I don't. I'm not a huge beady bandolier type of girl. I like to use this on the crook of the arm or just carry it handheld. Before I put the base shaper, I did use it a couple of days with the strap, and a few times I put it on my shoulder, and that's when I decided I need some kind of a base. I love this bag. What does the P9 have? Like, I've never seen a P9 in person. I've never felt it. Is it that much softer than that? How could it be? I mean, that's just what I want to know. And for the price, is it really? Look, we all know that we're paying for the name, but I love this bag. I will do a first impressions on it at some point. I'm sure there's tons of videos out there, but you don't have my version. Also compare it with my Speedy Dark. When Becca sent it, she did send perfumes. She sent 2 different cards, one from Becca and one from Keith. Needless to say, I have had the most fabulous birthday, and my friends and my husband and my family made my birthday so memorable. And I am just shocked. I bet you she bought this with this bag in mind. I'm gonna let you guys know in the next video, because she said she had some explaining to do without giving it away. So yeah, I love it. This could not be more perfect. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. As if that's not enough. I had a fabulous birthday, fabulous gifts. I have fabulous friends. Anyway, you guys, that's all I have for you today, and I will be back in a few days. I think I'm getting back into the swing of things. I will see you guys in a couple of days. I hope everybody's having a fabulous week, and have a great weekend, and happy Father's Day. Peace.